Terraformer coming back up the water elevator.
Terraformer coming back up the water elevator.
Ducks is in front, back marking Ducks as Ducks is coming around the trying to unlap himself. As Ducks comes out.
Tandem, I'm in tandem.
To show you a screenshot of the checkpoint you set up.
I'll take the wide route.
Out of curiosity,
Just focus on driving. They'll handle it after.
Giant lag spike. Oh my god!
Jesus, the lag.
Big lag spike.
Terra
is jumping along.
Sorry, Chocolate, I'm cutting by.
Oh, hopefully back in tandem by the time it's to the final water elevator. Misnius apparently is offline. I believe his internet crashed. I just noticed he looks to be offline, only having done 6 laps.
Holy!
I'll get my side platinum again.
As I believe Sayu has pit stun, considering how that's definitely. I would assume most people do at this point.
Ducks, don't worry, Ducks.
He's now back on in a good gap, so he can catch back up. Further ahead, Sam and Sayu are in a big tandem battle at the moment. I believe. Huge lag from Bastoni, but gets bumped. Ducks is right next to Terra.
Don't worry.
Both up the last bridge, like right next to each other. As Terra barely squeaks by first. Ducks, keep doing laps, please, because you're not finished yet.